guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be doing a formal look. It is going to be another quick skip through video. I just wanted to try this look because I've been booked for a formal, for a year 10 formal I think it is. It's like some special award night as well for this girl. So that is coming up I think mid-September. So I just wanted to try the look that she wants. So I thought I'll go ahead and I'll do it for you guys. It's just like a sparkly rose gold kind of look. And yeah, I'll pop a photo up on the screen for you to see. Before I jump in though, just a couple of things to quickly announce that are super exciting right now. My dog is about to have puppies again any day. I think she may be due tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, but definitely by Saturday she should have the puppies. We're sure that there is 7, but there could be 6. We just were a bit confused about the scan, but we're sure that we've seen 7. And also my little baby went to daycare today. It was his first day. I'll pop a photo of that up on the screen as well. I was so sad. I dropped him off and I just didn't want to leave him, but I have to because I have to put so much effort into my business and into filming for Instagram and stuff like that, which will help me to gain clients. So this all helps. A lot of time goes into this. I don't think many people realize how much time and effort goes into a video, especially when you're doing it all by yourself. First you have to come up with a look, then you have to do the makeup, then you have to clean your brushes, then you have to sit down and edit it, then you have to like edit thumbnails, and then you've got to like, so I edit the YouTube version and I edit the Instagram version. Like, I know it's all the same video, but it's got to be edited in different ways sometimes. So a lot of time and effort goes into it, and I just know that sometimes this can take me hours and hours. So I just need a day where I don't have to get up 5 times and tend to my crying baby who is hungry or thirsty or tired or teething or restless, and I can just focus on what I need to do. So that is why I sent him to daycare. I feel so bad, but I'm going to pick him up as soon as I'm done with this. But yeah, all right, now let's move on, and I'm going to start the makeup look. So there is my makeup look, the formal look that I'm going to be doing on a girl in a couple of weeks. I like the way it turned out, but I think I might use like a lighter glitter, or I might use a darker. I just want there to be like, you know, a gradient happening there. Anyways, I'm really happy with the way it turned out, besides the non-gradient part. But anyway, besides that, I'm really happy with the look. So I'll just have a little play around with colors over the next couple of weeks to see what's right for her and her skin tone as well. But I'm gonna leave it right there because I'm gonna be late for school pickup if I don't. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please go and give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.